हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारा पहला लेक्चर है फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ पुलिस कांस्टेबल इन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर पुलिस। किसी भी एग्जाम को क्वालिफाई करने के लिए 4 चीज़ों की जरूरत पड़ती है। पहला होता है सिलेबस, दूसरा होता है करंट एंड स्टैटिक पोर्शन, एंड थर्ड होता है प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन एंड मॉक टेस्ट, फोर्थ होता है रिवीजन। हम आज सबसे पहले 2016-17 का पेपर करेंगे। इसको हम 4 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन 1 to 25 आज हम पढ़ेंगे। उसके बाद 25 से 50 दूसरा लेक्चर होगा और इसी तरह थर्ड और फोर्थ लेक्चर होगा। इस तरह हम 4 लेक्चर्स में 2017 का पेपर कंप्लीट करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन, विच कॉज मैक्सिमम पोल्यूशन? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, ऑक्सीजन, नाइट्रोजन, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड। द करेक्ट आंसर इज carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is considered the primary greenhouse gas responsible for global warming and climate change, which are significant environmental issues. Carbon dioxide is released in large quantity for burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas. It accumulates in the atmosphere, trapping heat and leading to global warming, which cause long-term environmental changes. Therefore, in terms of contributing to climate change and its associated impact, carbon dioxide is often considered the most significant pollutant globally. इसका दूसरा पार्ट जो था वो था ऑक्सीजन। ऑप्शन जो था दूसरा वो था ऑक्सीजन। ऑक्सीजन इज नॉट अ pollutant. In fact, it is essential for life on Earth. Oxygen is a vital component of the air we breathe, and it plays a crucial role in processing like respiration in humans and animals, as well as photosynthesis in plants. So oxygen does not cause pollution and should not be considered as a pollutant. C. Nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of Earth's atmosphere, as is generally not considered a pollutant in its natural form. However, certain nitrogen components such as nitrogen oxide and ammonia can contribute to the air pollution. Carbon monoxide is a harmful pollutant that can cause serious health problems, especially when it accumulates in the atmosphere at high level. The air we breathe is a mixture of various gases, such as each present in different portions. Here is a breakdown of the main components of the Earth's atmosphere. One is nitrogen, 78%, the most abundant gas in the atmosphere. Oxygen, O2, 21%, essential for respiration in most living organisms, supports combustion and is necessary for life. Argon, Ar, 0.93%, a noble gas, making it chemically inert, used in light bulbs and other applications required an inert atmosphere. Carbon dioxide, CO2, 0.04%, a key greenhouse gas, contributing to the Earth's greenhouse effect, producing by respiration, combustion, and certain industrial process. Neon, helium, methane, krypton, hydrogen, neon. Trace amount presently is very small quantity. These gases have specialized uses such as in neon side. Neon is as lifting gas. Let's move to the question number 2. Which one the medicine is used for treating acidity? Antibiotics, anti-allergic. C. Antacids. Fourth, antiseptic. The correct answer is antacid. Here is explanation of each term. Antibiotic or medicines used to treat bacterial infections. They work by killing bacteria or stopping their growth. Common use, treating infection like strep throat or urinary tract infections. Anti-allergy functions. Anti-allergics are pain relievers. They reduce and eliminate pain without causing loss of consciousness. Common use, treating headache, muscle aches, arthritis, or other types of pain. Antacid. Antacids are substances that neutralize stomach acid. They are used to relieve symptoms of indigestion, heartburn, or acid reflux. Common use, treating acidity-related issues such as burnout or indigestion. Antiseptic functions. Antiseptics are substances that prevent the growth of microorganisms on living tissues such as skin. They are related to the clean wounds and prevent infection. Common use, cleaning cuts, scabs or burns to prevent infection. In this context of treating acidity, the correct answer is anti-acid. Let's move to the question number 3. Zebra lines are meant for stopping vehicles, pedestrian crossing, for giving preference to vehicles, none of the above. The correct answer is pedestrian crossing. Here is the explanation of each term. Stopping vehicles. This refers to the location or signals where vehicles must come to complete stop. Common examples include stop signals, red traffic lights, or stop lines or intersections. However, zebra lines are not specifically for stopping vehicles, although vehicles should stop to allow pedestrians to cross. Pedestrian crossing. Zebra lines are marked areas on the road where pedestrians have the right of way to cross the streets. Vehicles are required to stop or slow down to allow people to cross safely. These lines are usually marked with white strips resembling the pattern of zebra for giving preference to the vehicles. This would refer to the areas or signals that give priority to the vehicles over pedestrian or other road issues. However, zebra lines are specifically designed to give preference to pedestrians, not vehicles. The fourth option is none of the above. Let's move to the question number 4. Function of kidney is respiration, transpiration, nutrition, or excretion. The correct answer is excretion D. In this explanation, let us here explain each of the term. Respiration. Respiration is the process by which organisms take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide. In human and other animals, this primarily occurs in the lungs. It involves the exchange of gases in the respiration system to support cellular respiration, which produces energy. Transportation. In a biological context, transportation refers to the movement of substances like nutrients, gases, and waste products within an organism. This is usually the role of the circulatory system, where the heart pumps blood, the blood vessels to transport oxygen, nutrition, and waste products. Nutrition. Nutrition involves the intake and process of food substance to provide the necessary nutrients that the blood needs to function. This includes the digestion of the food and absorption of nutrients into the bloodstreams. Excretion. Excretion is the process by which waste products and excess substance are removed from the body. The kidney plays a key role in this process by filtering blood to produce urine, which eliminates waste products and helps regulate the body's fluid and electrolyte balance. The primary function of the kidney is excretion. Let's move to the question number 5. Insulin is used in treatment of diabetes, tuberculosis, diarrhea, or cancer. The correct answer is diabetes. Diabetes is a chronic condition characterized by high level of glucose, sugar in the blood. This occurs because the blood neither does not produce enough insulin, type 1 diabetes, and does not use insulin effectively. Type 2 diabetes, insulin is a hormone produced by the pancreas that helps regulate blood sugar level. Treatment. Insulin therapy is commonly used to manage blood sugar level in people with diabetes, particularly type 1 diabetes, and in some cases diabetes type 2. Let's move to the question number 6. Oxygen in human body is transported by lungs, blood, nerves, vessels, muscles. The correct answer is B part, blood. Here is explanation of each term. Lungs. The lungs are the primary organs involved in respiration. They are responsible for taking in oxygen from the air and expelling carbon dioxide from the blood. When we inhale, oxygen enters the lungs and infuses into the blood, while it binds to hemoglobin in red blood cells. Role in oxygen transportation. While the lungs are crucial for oxygen intake and gas exchange, they do not transport oxygen. That role is performed by the blood. Blood is the fluid that circulates throughout the body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to cells and removing waste products like carbon dioxide. Oxygen is primarily transported in the blood by binding to hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells. The oxygen rich blood is then pumped by the heart to tissues and organs. Role in oxygen transportation. Blood is the primary transportation of oxygen in the body. Nerves. Nerves are bundles of fibers that transmit signals between different parts of the body and the brain. They are part of the nervous system and are responsible for sending and receiving sensory and motor signals. Role in oxygen transportation. Nerves does not transport oxygen. They transmit electric signals. Muscles. Muscles are tissues that enable environment by contracting and relaxing. They require oxygen to produce energy, though cellular respiration, especially during physical activities. Role in oxygen transportation. Muscles consume oxygen but do not transport it. In summary, oxygen is transported in the human body by the blood. Question number 7. Blood pressure is measured by barometer, lactometer, seismometer, or glucose. The correct answer is C part, seismometer. Certainly, here is a brief definition of each term. Barometer, an instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure. It helps predict weather change and is often used in meteorology. A barometer measures the pressure extracted by the atmosphere at a given point. Lactometer, an instrument used to measure the specific gravity density of milk. It helps determine the purity or richness of milk. A lactometer is used to check if milk has been diluted with water. Seismometer, an instrument used to measure blood pressure. It typically considered as an inflatable cup, a measuring unit, either mercury or aneroid, and a stethoscope or electronic sensors. A seismometer measures the force of blood against the walls of the arteries during different phases of the heart cycle. Glucometer, a device used to measure the condition of glucose sugar in the blood. It is commonly used by people with diabetes to monitor their blood sugar level. A glucometer provides reading of blood sugar levels, helping manage diabetes. Let's move to the question number 8, which is the correct statement given below. The force with which the earth attracts all objects towards itself is called a gravitational force. The force with which the earth does not attract all objects towards itself is called a gravitational force. The force with which the earth distracts all objects from itself is called a gravitational force. D is none of the above. The correct answer is A. The force with which the earth attracts all objects towards itself is called a gravitational force. Let us see the explanation. This statement is correct. Gravitational force is the natural force by which a planet or other body draws objectives towards its center. On Earth, this is the force that causes objectives to fall towards the ground when dropped. Let's move to the question number 9. A dash is the smallest structure and functional unit of life. Blood. A. B. Bone. C. Sperm. D. Cell. The correct answer is D. Cell. A cell is the smallest structure and functional unit of life. All living organisms are made up of cells, which perform various essential functions of substantive lives. Let's move to the question number 10. A microscope is an instrument to view small objects by magnifying them. And B. An instrument to view big objects by magnifying them. C. An instrument to view small objects by keeping them at a distance. D. None of the above. The correct answer is A. An instrument to view small objects by magnifying them. Let's see the explanation. A microscope is a device used to view objects that are too small to be seen by the naked eye. It magnifies these objects, allowing detailed observation and study. Let's move to the question number 11. Electroplating saves the metal from corrosion. B. The plastic for metaling. C. Clothes for ironing. D. None of the above. The correct answer is E. The metal for corrosion. Electroplating is a process that uses electric current to deposit a layer of metal into a surface. This technique is often employed to protect the underlying metal for corrosion, enhance its appearance or improving its durability. Let's move to the question number 12. Forest provides which of the following to local people? Food, herbs, fruits and nuts. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Forest provides a variety of resources of local people, including fodder. Fodder can be a source of food for livestock and other animals. Herbs, many medicinal and culinary herbs grown in forests. Fruits and nuts. Forests offer a range of fruits and nuts that can be harvested by local communities. Let's move to the question number 13. A positively charged particle that is present in the nucleus of every atom is electron, neutron, proton, or none of the above. The correct answer is proton. Proton are positively charged particles found in the nucleus of every atom. Let us see the explanation. Electron, a substance particularly with negative electric charge. Electrons are found in the outer region of the atom orbiting the nucleus. Neutron, a substance particle with no electric charge, neutral. Neutron along with proton are found in the nucleus of an atmosphere. Proton, a substance particularly with a positive electrical charge. Proton are found in the nucleus of an atom and determine the atomic number of an element. None of these, an option indicating that none of the listed choices are correct. Let's move to the question number 14. Botany is the study of animals. A. B. Plants. C. Birds. D. Insects. The correct answer is B. Plants. Botany is the branch of biology that focuses on the study of plants. The definition of each term. Animals. The study of animals is known as zoology. Plants. The study of plants is known as botany. Birds. They are studied within in mythology. Insects. They are studied within entomology. Let us see to question number 15. Saeed Altaf Bukhari is the member of J&K State UT for Works, Health, Education, and In 2015, Saeed Altaf Bukhari served as the Minister of Education in the Jammu and Kashmir government. So the correct answer is C. Education. As of the most recent information, Saeed Altaf Bukhari is a prominent political figure in the Jammu and Kashmir and has been held various positions over time. He is known for his role as the chairman of the Jammu and Kashmir Apni Party and has been involved in several capacities. Especially Saeed Altaf Bukhari was the Minister of Education in the Jammu and Kashmir government. Thus, the correct answer to your question is C. Education. Let us see some important figures. Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, currently as of 2024, the Lieutenant Governor is the Administrator of the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. Major political leaders: Indian National Congress, Mallikarjun Kharge at national level, Ghulam Ahmad Mir at state level, Bharatiya Janata Party. J.P. Nadda at national level is the President of Bharatiya Janata Party. At state level, Ravindra Ravana, who has just resigned after the elections. Then Mehbooba Mufti, President of the Jammu and Kashmir People's Democratic Party, PDP, and former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. Umar Abdullah, Vice President of the National Conference, NC, and former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. Saeed Altaf Bukhari, founder and President of the Jammu and Kashmir Apni Party and has been held various ministerial posts in the past. The Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir ratifies the Association of State to India on A. 6th Feb 1954, B. 6th January 1954, C. 28th January 1957, and D. 8th Feb 1954. The correct answer of this question is A. 6th Feb 1954. Let us see the explanation. 6th Feb 1954. This is the date on which the Constituent Assembly of Jammu and Kashmir ratifies the State Association of India. This formalized the Association of Jammu and Kashmir to India, following the instrument of association signed by Maharaja Hari Singh in October 1947. 6th January 1954. There is no significant event related to the association or constitutional charge of the Jammu and Kashmir on this date. it is not relevant to the ratification of association. 28th January 1957. This date marked the adoption of Jammu and Kashmir Constitution, which came into effect and replaced the existing legal framework. It was an important step in establishing the legal and administrative structure of the state. 8th February 1954. This date is not specifically significant in the context of Jammu and Kashmir Association. Kashmir's Association of India. The relevant date for the ratification of association is 6th February 1954. Let's move to the question number 17. Which of the districts of Jammu and Kashmir state is bordered with Himachal? Rajouri, Poonch, Doda, Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu. The correct answer is Doda. Let's see the explanation. The district of Jammu and their borders with neighbor regions, including Himachal Pradesh. Rajouri, it shares borders with the Poonch district and the line of control of Pakistan, but does not directly border Himachal Pradesh. Poonch, it shares border with the Rajouri district and the line of control of Pakistan, but does not directly border Himachal Pradesh. Doda, it shares its border with Himachal Pradesh to the east, as well as with the districts of Kashtawar, Ramban and Udhampur within Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu, it borders the Samba and Katwa district within Jammu and Kashmir and is close to the international border with Pakistan, but does not share a direct border with Himachal Pradesh. Thus, the district that shares a border with Himachal Pradesh is Doda. The largest district in terms of area in Jammu and Kashmir, Doda, Leh, Kargil and Srinagar. The correct answer is Leh, the largest district in Jammu terms of area in Jammu and Kashmir. But in present situation, Leh and Kargil are not part of the Jammu and Kashmir. In present situation, the correct answer is Doda. Doda approximately shares 11,691 square kilometers. Leh approximately 45,110 square kilometers. Kargil approximately 14,086 square kilometers. Srinagar approximately 1,968 square kilometers. The gateway of Jammu and Kashmir is Lakhanpur, Akhnoor, Jammu, Uri or Chakhandaba. The correct answer is the gateway of Jammu and Kashmir is Lakhanpur. Question number 20. Which of the following soils is suitable for growing saffron? Clay, loamy, Kirwa or sandy? The correct answer is Kirwa soil. Probability found in Kashmir Valley. The soil is rich in organic matter and is typically found in the Kirwa formation, which are deposits sedimentary layers. It has a loamy texture and is well drained, making it suitable for growing crops like saffron and apples. Let's move to the question number 21. India is the second largest producer of silk in the world after China, Japan, Korea or Italy. The correct answer is China. India is the second largest producer of silk in the world. Silk in the world after China. China is the largest producer of silk globally. India is the second largest producer. Japan and Korea have historical significance in silk producing, but are not major producers today. Italy is famous for its silk textiles, but imports most of its raw materials. Let's move to the question number 22. The Peshmana wool is obtained from which of the following livestock? Sheep, yak, goat or camel? The correct answer is goat. C. Peshmana wool is obtained from a specific breed of goat known as Chingthangi goat, which is native to the high altitude regions of the Himalayas, particularly in Leh, India. These goats produce a fine, soft undercoat of hair, which is harvested and processed to make the luxuries. Pashmina wool, known for its warmth, smoothness, and lightweighted qualities. Sheep, commonly used for the wool, produce but not pashmina wool. Yak produces wool but it is not pashmina. Camel, here is used for the textiles but not for the pashmina. Let's move to the question number 23. The man animal species of Dachigam National Park is famous for leopard, bear, hangul or owl. The correct answer is hangul. Dachigam National Park, located in Jammu and Kashmir, India, is famous for being the last natural habitat of hangul, also known as the Kashmiri stag. The hangul is critically endangered species of red deer and is unique to the region. The park was initially established to protect the Hangul, which has cultural and ecological significance in the area. The other options are leopard. Leopards are present in Dachigam, but they are not the man species that park is known for. Bear. Dachigam is home to both the Himalayan black bear and the brown bear, but again, they are not the main species of the park. Owl. Various species of owl can be found in park, but they are not the primary species associated with the Dachigam. Let's move to the question of 24. Which of the following places in the state does not have a civil airport? Jammu, Srinagar, Leh, Kargil. The correct answer is Kargil. Jammu has a civil airport known as Jammu Airport or Satwari Airport, which serves domestic flights. Srinagar have a civil airport, Sheikh Alam International Airport, which handles both domestic or limited international flights. Leh has a civil airport, Kushok Bukla Rinpoche Airport, which is one of the highest airports in the world and serves as a key gateway to the region of Ladakh. Kargil does not have a fully operational civil airport. While there is an airstrip in Kargil, it is mainly used by the military and there are no regular commercial flights operating out of Kargil. Let's move to the question number 25. The word gul means flowers in which of the following language? Kashmiri, Dogri, Sanskrit or Persian? The correct answer is D. Persian. Gul means flower in Persian. The word has been adopted in several languages that have been influenced by Persian, including Urdu and Hindi. Kashmiri, while Kashmiri has been many words influenced by Persian, the word gul itself specifies originates from Persian. Dogri, a language spoken in Jammu and Kashmir, uses different words for flowers, though it has been influenced by Persian vocabulary. Sanskrit, in Sanskrit, flower is typically referred as pushpa, not gul. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you like this video. Please subscribe our channel.